Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower dish rack in a Maytag dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower dish rack. The lower dish rack is placed at the bottom of the dishwasher. The dish rack holds large plates and pots. It also holds the silverware basket. The main reason to replace the lower dish rack is if it's broken or corroded. To get to the part, we need to open the dishwasher door. Now we're going to roll out the lower dish rack and lift it up and put it on the counter here so it can work. And at this point I'm going to close the door because it's going to be on the way and remove the silverware basket. Now we need to remove these 4 roller packs from the old dish rack and place it onto the new one. Right, so I'm going to lift up slightly the dish rack and I'm going to press the tab with a flat blade screwdriver. Same time I'm going to use my thumb to put down the pack. And the opposite side here. And lift up the rack so we can free that pack, the wheel pack. Alright, then let's do the same procedure for the 3 of the packs. And I'm going to remove this. This is the old lower dish rack next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Right, let's bring a new lower dish rack to the working surface and we're going to install these wheel packs onto the new one. I'm going to place it in like this and then I'm going to press it up. I'm going to repeat the procedure 3 more times. Alright, now it's ready to go into the dishwasher. So I can open the door again. And I'm going to slide in the lower dish rack. But before that, we're going to install the silverware basket. It goes right in here. Now we can slide in the dish rack and close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.